In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Slack. We're going to connect a Monday.com board to Slack so your team can get timely updates where they already communicate. This is great for surfacing changes like new items, status updates, or due dates without needing to keep Monday open all day. First, open your trial management board in Monday.com. You can use any board you want to connect, but I'll reference trial management as an example. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage integrations on this board. If you're collaborating across teams, it can help to confirm you're in the right place by checking the board name and the groups and columns you expect to see. Next, look for the Integrate button at the top of the board. Clicking this opens Monday's Integration Center, which is a gallery of apps you can connect to your board. If you don't see the Integrate option, it usually means your role doesn't allow integrations on this board, so you may need an admin to grant access or set it up with you. Now choose Slack from the Integration Center and pick a template. In Monday, these templates are called recipes. Each one has a trigger in Monday and an action in Slack. For example, you might see options like when a status changes to something, send a message in a channel, or when an item is created, notify someone in Slack. Browse the list and pick the one that best matches how you want updates to flow. After selecting a template, Monday guides you through filling in the details. You'll typically choose which board column acts as the trigger, the Slack destination such as a channel or a direct message, and the text of the notification. Most templates let you insert dynamic fields so you can pull in things like item name, owner, or due date directly into the Slack message. Keep the message concise and scannable so it's useful without flooding the channel. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to connect your Slack workspace. If you see that prompt, it's normal. Follow the on-screen guidance from Monday and Slack to complete the connection, then return to finish the template fields. Before wrapping up, review the summary of your recipe to ensure it targets the correct channel and uses the right trigger column. If your team prefers fewer notifications, consider starting with a single high-value recipe and expanding later. You can always edit or disable a recipe from the same integration area if you need to fine-tune it. That's it. Open your board, click Integrate, then choose Slack and pick the template that matches your workflow. Once saved, updates from Monday will start appearing in Slack automatically, helping your team stay aligned in real time.